Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can use Google Flights. So it is pretty simple and easy to do, so let's get started. Here you will be able to select round trip, one way or multi-city. Here you can select how many people are going with you, and this is the class, of course, economy, premium economy, business, or the first. Here you will select departure city and where are you going to. So let's say I want to go to the New York. I will type here right here New York, and departure, it is departure date. So let's say I want to fly from July 24th to August, and as you can see I will explore it and it will show me a map with the cities and prices. So as you can see, to the Copenhagen I can go for 70 euros, and for the London 163, and etc. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video is helpful. Please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, and we see you in the next one. Peace.